In this video, we are going to see how we can permanently share the location in Google Maps. It is very simple to do. So let's say that you are in Google Maps and you want to basically share your location with your family members or your friends forever. Here's how you can do it. And from here, what you can do is just on the top right hand corner, you can see the profile icon. Just click on that and just click on the location sharing option. And it says stay connected. Share your real-time location with your family and friends. They can see where you are and share with you across the Google apps and services. So what this is helpful in, if you want to just protect your family or friends, you can just stay connected with them at all times. Wherever they go, you should be able to see where they are. So let's click on share location. And it's basically your choice if you want to turn this on for 1 hour or until you turn this off. I'll just set it to the second one and click on the person from whom we want to share the location and click on share. And we want to click on this gear icon to manage the settings. So if you want to adjust any settings for the location sharing, it is shared continuously, you want to stop them, allow the sharing notifications and all, you can do that here. And similarly, I can share the location with other persons as well by just clicking on the new share. But let's say that you have shared the location. Now, if you want to activate this for always, just go to the settings and search for location in Google Maps and make sure the permissions is set to always here. So we just have to select the location option, whatever it is. It's not in the developer tool. It's right here, the simple location. Click on the maps and make sure that you have set it to allow all the time. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.